I forgot mascara. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys this red fire eyes. I'm going to be doing a new little series on my channel, a rainbow series. Cassie Vina, she is another like beauty YouTuber. She is doing this on her channel. So I just wanted to give a shout out to her because I commented and was like, oh, now I really want to do this on my channel. And she literally just said, let me know how it goes. And I was like, wait, really? You're like being this nice? You don't care if I do on my channel too? She is so nice. And this is pretty much where I got the series. She's pretty much where I got the series from. So I'm going to link her channel in the description below. I really hope you guys enjoy this whole series and this video. Let's just get started. Okay, so first of all, I just want to apologize for the Elmo that's going to play in the background. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but you're just going to have to jam out to Elmo because otherwise my 6-month-old will freak. So I'm taking my e.l.f. waterproof black liner. It's an easier applicator, like it's a felt tip, so it's not, so it's easier to work with than the eyeliner that I'm going to use over top of it. So I'm basically just lining, basically just creating the flames. So there's the outline, and then I'm going to go back over that with my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Fire. This is why I didn't want to use this wand on its own, because it's very difficult to work with. Well, in my opinion, because I've like barely ever used eyeliners like this. Okay, so now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and I'm going to take a little bit off of the top here with my Morphe JH42 brush. So then, now that I have a base for the eyeshadows, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I just got this yesterday and I was really excited. I'm going to use my Morphe M421 brush and this yellow right here. I'm going to be putting that in the center of my lid with my with this little Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. You can get these at Dollar Tree, I'm not even kidding. And I'm gonna use the red right here. Most of the reason I got this palette is for this red. It's a really good red, and all the reds that I had weren't working for this right. They weren't the right color. And then I'm just putting it around the flames to kind of fill them in. And because this palette doesn't have the greatest orange, I'm going to go in with my NYX Ultimate shadow palette. And this is the Brights. And I'm going to use the orange and use this little dome brush. This is the Morphe JH39. And just take that orange and put that around where there's no eyeshadow. Around the yellow and the red, like right in the middle. And this is just going to help blend it all out. And then I'm going to use this little Morphe JH40 brush. It's like a tapered blending brush. And there's no product on it, and I'm just going to lightly blend this out. And then I'm just going to go back with all the colors and intensify them a little bit more, and then blend them out a little bit more, and just go back and forth.
You're the cutest.
Nothing new, just holding my baby to go and finish up the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna run through my face makeup while holding my baby. I use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation and throw the cap. Kenzie, stop kicking yourself down. Ow! Bang your head on my shoulder. Stop it. Stop it. I'm gonna put you down. Look what she does. Ow!
You're a mini bot. You want me to hold you with a mini bot?
Oh. She thinks it's funny. The L'Oreal concealer that I've been using. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution. I apologize. My Makeup Revolution Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. I'm just going to highlight with that. I think that this will complement the red a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to do lips. Okay, Kenzie, okay, stop doing that. This is my life. I'm going to use the NYX matte lipstick in the shade Perfect Red. I'm going to be First, lining my lips with it. And getting red lipstick on my baby because she keeps touching it. Yay. And if you want to make this transfer proof, I have it's in with my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I showed you guys how to make your lips transfer proof, like with any lipstick. So you can go check that out if you want to. I will link it in the IO. You just click the little eye somewhere in here and it'll take you to it. So this is the finished look. I am really proud of myself that I was able to achieve this. If you guys are as excited about the rainbow looks as I am, I'm really excited to play with color and everything, and I hope you guys are excited too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh my gosh. Do you guys want to laugh? I forgot mascara. Oh my god. I went to do my intro and everything and totally forgot that I did not do mascara. Thing.